Hi Dhaval.
Hello, how are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
You're on time.
Yes, I'm always on time.
Good to see you working so hard on the project.
Yes, I'm pretty serious about this. About
Yeah,
my
I know.
work.
Where's Prem?
Oh, I think he should be here. I don't know. It's already time for the meeting.
Oh, it's already done. He's again late.
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Meeting was at 10.
Hey, sorry man, got caught in traffic and next
No
year doesn't
problem.
happen again.
Sit.
So you guys started the meeting already?
Yeah, I've called this meeting to check about our project success. So it's going. The actual project is going like this, and what I wanted is this, because this is a pilot project. So it's okay to have these hindrances and the chart going wayward, and so the actual project should be like this because many of the stakeholders are involved in this. So what do you think, guys?
I think it's pretty ambitious to, try to get such a exponential performance. I know it's a pilot project, but I don't know. What do you think, Dhaval?
Yeah, Prem, I do think it's a bit ambitious, but then hey, we are up for a challenge and I think we can do it. And with such a good project manager leading us, I think it's really possible to get such kind of graph and such kind of performance in our project. Let's do it.
Okay, so you're okay with this approach, right?
Yeah, we are okay. It looks quite doable.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
man.
nothing is impossible, right? And one more thing. Oh, where's my phone? Oh, this Friday we have a meeting with our stakeholders, so we prepared, and Prem, be on time. Hey.
Hi, Sarthak. How are you?
Hi, stakeholder. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I have some news for you. I want you for the next few weeks in Los Angeles on site.
That's awesome. Thank you for calling.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So how long will you be going on site?
1 month.
1 month? That's good.
Hey, hi Sarthak, how are you? How's Los Angeles? Yeah, I'm good. You're talking about the weekly report? Okay, I'll work on it and send it to you in a minute. In probably an hour's time. Okay, thank you, sir. Thought Dhaval was supposed to finish this yesterday. It's 11 o'clock, he's still not in office. I guess I will call him. Since the manager's gone, I don't know what's gotten into his head.
Who's calling in the morning, man? Who is so free to call such morning? Let's see, pray. Hello?
Hey Dhaval, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Why did you call in such morning, man?
Hey man, it's around 11 o'clock. We are supposed to start work at around 9 o'clock. And more than that, Sarthak just called me. The report you were supposed to deliver yesterday. Have you finished it?
Report. I don't know, I did a few reports last month. Are you talking about that?
Hey, no, the weekly report which you were supposed to deliver yesterday. Sarthak's asking.
Oh, just chuck it, man. Just take a chill pill, man. The manager's not in the town. He's on site. He must be also probably enjoying over there, man. Let's just take a chill pill and then just relax. You also go home and do some party and just...
You already sound like you did a lot of party. Are you drunk by any chance?
Yeah, I'm having a really bad hangover, man. I don't know. I don't think I can make it today to the office. Please just do my work, man. It's completely impossible for me to come. I know you can handle it. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye. I already have 4 to 5 years of my own work and now Dhaval's work. Alright, I guess I'll have to do it. Okay, we have a meeting in 5 minutes and Dhaval's still not in office. Where did he go? This is starting to become a pain. He's seen my message. He's out with a friend for pizza.
Hello.
Hey Sarthak, how are you?
Hi Prem, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm in the same old office, but you should be in a nice office. with
Yeah,
nice
this is
view.
nice. This is our first meeting. Where's Dhaval?
So, what should Prem say? Should he say whether Dhaval is out enjoying with his friend, or should he cover up for him? What should he do? Let's see what does Prem do.
Hey, Dhaval was actually here in the morning, but I think he was feeling really sick. He was shivering with fever, so I just asked him to go home. And I thought I can handle the call with you.
Is he alright now?
He's okay. He was just having high fever, I guess. He'll be fine. He'll probably come in tomorrow. So we can discuss the project, Sarthak.
Okay, you will be able to do it without Dhaval?
Yeah, I know the details pretty much, so I think it should be good.
Yeah, it should be fine. Let's start with the meeting.
Sure.
10:30 a.m.
I don't even know what's happening right now.
Hey Prem, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Long time no see.
Long time. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? How's the work going? I guess you're handling it pretty well.
You can see me. I'm stressed out, but it's going good. And
Yeah.
actually, Sarthak called now, so
That's what he hired you for.
he had both of us. But yeah, let's get going. So Sarthak called me. He wanted an ad hoc report. So I think it's low priority, but if we don't finish it today, then we'll spend time on it tomorrow, and our routine will get screwed up. So I would say, I'll give you the details. You start working on it. I'll do my part. Does that work for you?
Yeah, just to say, just call up the person stakeholder and say it works for us, and then we'll see what to do.
I've already given the go, so we have to do it somehow. So I'm banking on you to do it today.
Yeah, just send it over to me. Let's see what can I do.
All right.
And report is due at 1:30.
Yeah.
Hey, did you get a chance to look at the mail?
Yeah, I saw the mail. Yeah, I saw the mail.
Okay, so I think we'll need to send it in like half an hour. So we'll discuss in 15 minutes.
Yeah, I already did it. Yeah, like we'll discuss it in 15 minutes. I have already done the report.
Okay, that's perfect.
Let's see.
Man. Right. Hey, okay, let's review the report, man. We need to send it like in 10 minutes.
Yeah, sure. Let's review it. It's better that two persons review it. Let me see, where did I save it?
Okay.
Oh, not in this folder. I think I saved it in this folder. Let me see.
Try searching for it, mate. You should remember the file name, I guess.
Yeah, the file name was eBay was our client, right? So eBay .xls. Why isn't it coming in the search?
I don't know. Try to find it, man. We don't have time. It's too late to do it all over again.
Oh, I think I didn't save it, man. I'm not so
serious,
sure.
man.
I wrote the whole thing. I created the whole report, man. I'm sure. I'm damn sure I made the whole report, but I don't know why didn't I save it. This
Okay,
laptop sucks, man. I think this laptop sucks.
Maybe, yeah. So let's do one thing. Anyway, we can't do it now. So let's think of what can we tell him to convince him to give us more time. There's no other go. We need to buy more time now.
Yeah, let's think. How can we convince Sarthak? That's our biggest headache. And
Okay, let's see. Anyway, he's gonna call us. Let's go to the meeting room.
yep, sure.
It's just one. He's gonna call any second, and still Dhaval's not here.
Hello.
Hey, Sarthak, how are you? How's your
I'm
day
good.
been?
How are you, Prem?
I'm good.
Yeah, I want the report. I checked my mailbox and report is not there. So I seriously want a report ASAP.
Hey, actually there was some technical issues with the laptop. So, can you buy us some more hours, please?
I have promised the client, and you have given me the word that you'll deliver the report as soon as possible. But it's high time now. I should have given it to Dhaval.
Should I just tell him that Dhaval screwed up, or what am I supposed to do? I took it so far. It's too late for me to even tell him. If it was you, what would you have done?